I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Infiniti G35 Coupe automatic versus manual transmissions. We'll dive into the driving experience, looking at how each transmission feels on the road. We'll also explore key performance metrics, including acceleration and fuel economy, to see which one offers a more engaging or efficient ride. Furthermore, we'll touch upon maintenance considerations and potential ownership costs, helping you make an informed decision about which G35 Coupe is the better fit for your driving style and preferences. When it comes to driving dynamics, the manual transmission truly shines for enthusiasts, offering a direct connection to the car and precise gear selection. You'll feel more engaged with every shift. The automatic, however, provides a smoother, more relaxed driving experience, perfect for daily commutes and stop-and-go traffic. While manual versions might shave a few tenths of a second off the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint, the automatic delivers consistent, effortless power, making it a comfortable choice for many drivers. Regarding fuel efficiency, manual G35 Coupes often boast a marginal advantage, sometimes achieving 1 or 2 more miles per gallon on the highway. However, this can vary based on driving style. For maintenance, automatic transmissions typically require less frequent, but sometimes more expensive fluid changes. Manuals, on the other hand, will eventually need a clutch replacement, a substantial service that can cost upwards of $1,000, depending on parts and labor. Both transmissions benefit from regular fluid inspections to ensure longevity. So, which Infiniti G35 Coupe is better for you? If you prioritize an exhilarating, hands-on driving experience, love shifting gears, and enjoy pushing the car's limits, the manual is likely your ideal choice. It offers unparalleled driver engagement. However, if you value convenience, a relaxed commute, and smooth, effortless driving, especially in heavy traffic, the automatic transmission will serve you exceptionally well. Ultimately, your decision should align with your personal driving style and daily needs. We highly recommend test driving both to truly feel the difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.